So the Great Indian Festival and all the discounts that come with it have pretty much come to an end, but you still have an opportunity to buy one of the most premium dash cameras that are available in India with the biggest discounts. Yes, currently I have two of the most high-end dash cameras. That's the VIOFO A329 dual channel variant, which supports 4K 60 FPS, gets dual star VS2, gets Wi-Fi 6 and also SSD support. And along with that, I also have the VIOFO A329S, the flagship camera, or should I say the king of dash cameras, which supports triple star VS2 sensors, gets a fisheye cabin camera, and also supports the telephoto camera, which gets about a 4x optical zoom. So both these cameras are review units which are currently available for sale at superb discounted prices. And the good thing is both these cameras come with warranty. Yes, you can purchase without worry because these get warranty, and you also get to buy these cameras with big discounts than what you would actually buy for if you did purchase it straight up from the website. And not only that, if these cameras are a bit more premium for you, you also have the option of getting yourself the newly launched Dylect Sense 4K Max. So this too is a star VS2 based dash camera coming in at a price of less than 10,000 rupees. So this too is a dual channel setup. So you can buy any of these three dash cameras, and along with that, if you're someone who prefers a mirror dash cam, well, I currently have the Wolfbox G900 Pro, the flagship mirror dash cam from Wolfbox. So this too gets a star VS2 sensor, this too shoots a 4K resolution, and you can grab this camera at a crazy discounted price compared to what you would buy from a regular Amazon purchase. So do note that these three cameras, the VIOFO cameras and the Dylect cameras, come with warranty. The Wolfbox G900 Pro doesn't. And along with that, you also have some other cameras as well, which I'll be listing down below in the description of this video. So no matter which of these dash cameras you're interested to buy, with warranty or without the warranty, just go ahead, DM me on my Facebook or the Instagram page. The links to those pages are also given in the description. So go ahead and grab your favorite dash cams with big discounts, because they are review units which have been used once for making review videos but still get warranty. So if you're someone who is looking for some premium cameras, some star VS2 backed cameras, and you want to save yourself a lot of money, this would be the best chance to do that straight away. Go ahead, DM me on my Facebook or the Instagram page and grab these dash cameras right now.